Well, it's certainly been quite the day weather-wise, finally getting that snow we've been waiting for here in northern Michigan. And some of us are actually seeing up to about 10 inches accumulated over the course of the day today. But I want to show you, I took this time-lapse video. This started at about 5:30 a.m. and it's a loop of 4 hours. And you can just see the snow coming down here outside our station in Traverse City. And we've got quite a bit of accumulation here. And you can see the snow-covered pavement there and the cars as well. But it's definitely been coming down pretty much all day today, but we have seen the bulk of it. We're going to start to see things slow up as we go throughout the rest of the night tonight. So the three big things you need to know going on weather-wise across northern Michigan, we're going to see that snow diminishing from west to east tonight. Now there will be a few lingering snow showers into Sunday morning. However, most of us will be dry as we head into tomorrow in the early hours. But we're also seeing some gusty winds sticking around up to about 35 miles per hour, but we will see those gradually diminish overnight as well. But we are going to be colder next week. Our highs are only going to top out in the 20s, even the teens for some of us, but we do have a winter storm warning still in effect for some of us. All of our counties here in this pink color, that's going to be in effect through midnight tonight, and we will see that snow gradually ending like I mentioned, but our counties here in purple, they're still under a winter weather advisory until midnight tonight as well. But here's a loop of the radar. Now this is the past 6 hours. You can see that snow already starting to depart off to the east there. So we are seeing things kind of slowing up after kind of a crazy day weather-wise across northern Michigan. And I did want to point out, we know, of course, to take it slow on the roads, but since it is one of the first major snowfalls of the season, just give yourself more space than you do need while the plows are trying to work and get it all cleared up. I know some people were mentioning it was a bit messy out there earlier, and I noticed that as well on my way in today. Some of the roads still a bit slick and slushy because it's that wet, heavy snow. It makes it harder to clear. But here's some of our reports. Now this is through this evening. These are from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. North Higgins Lake, 10 inches. Now that's one of the most we've seen so far. Well, we've seen a lot of reports right around that 6-inch mark, and of course 40 Mile Point 7 inches as well. But I also wanted to show about 5 o'clock this evening. I head outside in our parking lot. Nearly 8 inches here in Traverse City, just short of it. So we've seen quite a bit here as well. And we could pick up about an inch or so overnight tonight, but not much more accumulation. But tonight at 11, we'll have some updated totals because some of those were from earlier this afternoon. But here's a look at the stormcast. So here's now. You can see things have already started to calm down quite a bit. We're looking at overcast skies, still some scattered snow showers for some of us. But as we go throughout the next couple of hours, you can see really calms down. We're still seeing a few isolated showers along the lake shores here. That's about 10 o'clock this evening. We go through the overnight hours. Things are finally calm. Now this is at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Your Sunday will primarily be dry. A few isolated flurries and snow showers are possible, but majority of the day dry. Will stay cloudy pretty much all the way throughout. This is 5 o'clock on Sunday. And as we head into your Monday, we have another chance for some snow to come back into play. Here's 2 a.m. here. The northwest lower getting a little bit of that there. 8:15, you might want to give yourself a little bit of extra time for your morning commute on Monday, as we could be seeing some more snow, some scattered snow showers possible. But how much snow are we going to pick up between now and tomorrow? Between 4:15, not much at all, maybe an inch, but we have seen the bulk of the accumulation for the snow, but we're still dealing with some gusty winds up to about 35 miles per hour. But as we head into Sunday morning, those will slow up as well. But you can still notice those gusty winds if you're outside at all this evening. But tonight, mostly cloudy skies, 18 in Sault Ste. Marie, 22 in Newberry, northeast lower. Some snow and wind early tonight, 20 in Atlanta and 21 in Mayo. Northwest lower, some scattered snow showers possible, 30 in Traverse City, 23 in Kalkaska. Our central lower counties, 29 in White Cloud, 27 in Big Rapids. Now tomorrow for the UP, mostly cloudy, 29 in Sault Ste. Marie, 28 in Newberry. Northeast lower, mostly cloudy as well, upper 20s and lower 30s. Some lower 30s for the northwest lower with cloudy skies. Our central lower counties, cloudy as well, some lower to mid 30s. Now looking at our extended forecast, we have some colder temperatures in store. Now that's finally starting to look like December weather across northern Michigan rather than the temperatures in the 40s and even lower 50s we saw this past week. But our highs are topping out in the teens on Tuesday and mid 20s for the northern lower. But so we do have some much colder temperatures in store, the chance for some snow on Monday. But also, we want to see what the conditions look like outside your house from today. So make sure to send us your snow pictures and your snow totals.